Naka-beauty face. Okay. Kaya please, hurry up para mabilisan before we attract a big crowd. So baka kaibigan, kasalukuyan na kaming nakakakuha ng mga friends si Jody here in Makati. Thank you, Iho. Thank you, Iha. Last one. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Double shot talaga si ate. Parang espresso. Okay. And now we're walking through one of the department stores of Makati. Jodes, nung high school college ako, yung department store na ito, napapasukin natin.
Landmark.
Landmark. Diba? You know this, memories mo to, fast food.
Yes, mother. No, kasi naalala ko si mama nag-work dito sa Makati ng bata pa ako. Every Saturday, pupunta kami sa office niya. Tapos after nun, dito kami sa Landmark pupunta para kumain.
Kumain.
At magkonting grocery.
And I'm sure yun ang early days mo with Jollibee.